एग्जाम चल रहे, that says it all.
Yeah.
Everybody can understand the pain.
ओके सो वेलकम टू सिंपल टॉक्स। आज हमारे पास डबल एनर्जी है हमारे साथ में। दोनों बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हैं एंड आई थॉट इनकी बॉन्डिंग एंड इनके लाइफ एक्सपीरियंस को हम सबके सामने लेके आते हैं। सो आरुष, लेट्स स्टार्ट विद यू। अपने बारे में कुछ बता।
Hello everyone, my name is Arush Chatterjee. I am currently in Bishop School Camp. I have taken commerce and I enjoy debating and drama.
आगे
Hi, I'm Adya Sharma. I'm in class 12th Humanities. I'm looking to pursue psychology as a career later, and I enjoy dancing and playing football. In specific Bharatanatyam. I've been doing that for a few years now. So.
ओके ठीक है। अच्छा तो आरुष मेरे को बता, एक्टिंग में कैसे इंटरेस्ट है?
See, I've been now actually, this year I was calculating with my teacher, Mrs. Mistry.
हाँ
I have been in concerts and all, back to back throughout,
हाँ
for almost 12 years now.
ओके
It actually started off with Bishops only.
ओके
I was in UKG, and that time my teacher, Mrs. Shaheen County, she had taken me for the main character.
ओके
So from there, then she saw I was really good at acting and all, and then she introduced me to Mrs. Mistry.
ओके
And then I started going for dramatics classes to her and everything, and from there it just started off.
ओके एंड ऑन स्केल ऑफ 1 to 10 एक्टिंग कितना पसंद है?
10.
10 on 10.
Yes.
So do you want to pursue your career in acting कभी?
I am pursuing a kind of acting journalism,
Okay, that's
so that is there. But as a profession, I don't think I'm cut out for it.
okay. Like जैसे film institute है FTI.
Yeah, I know the film institute and all. My grandfather's also spoken to me about it.
Okay.
So he's seen almost every concert he's been there in the audience.
अच्छा.
So he's always encouraged me. He's been there's never you have to take science or you have to take it's whatever you want,
Okay.
whatever you're good at. So he's spoken to me about it, and then I told him myself, it's a very turbulent industry. It's not set.
अच्छा. Yes.
When like all the stars are set, one day you're the number one hit, the next day people have completely forgotten about you.
Yes.
For me, that is a huge turn off because for me the main thing is there needs to be consistency in your work.
Okay.
So that is why I've taken a field comparatively like journalism,
हाँ.
where you keep doing the thing and it's something you love. It can be news anchoring, it can be anchoring a talk show. Doesn't think, but that enjoyment is still there.
Okay. Okay. तो अच्छा ठीक है, मैं तेरे से फिर सवाल करता हूँ because of course you like acting and you have some knowledge about it. So मेरे को भी ये बता, अभी जैसे OTT platforms आ गए, okay. So how has it impacted the theaters? उसके बारे में क्या?
Theatres have taken a huge hit
Okay.
because at the end of the day, the most decent example, the movie that just came out, It Ends With Us,
हाँ.
taken from the book of Colleen Hoover.
Yes.
All my friends, all of us are very excited at first. We have to go. But then exam dates came out. So then we have to go. Okay, we have to study now. But then when it came out, what I think a few months back,
Yeah.
it's already there on Netflix.
अच्छा.
So Netflix is genuinely giving theaters and all a real run for its money because it's at a fraction of the price. It's convenient. You can see it at home. You can lie down. You can do whatever you want. So I think OTTs are really going to give theaters a run for their money. They already are.
think कि relevance कम हो रहा है theaters का कहीं ना कहीं?
In a way, yes.
Yes.
Means few movies are there, you just want to go to the theatre and watch it because of that experience that it provides.
Right.
But then few movies are there like for us, exam dates come out, you don't know what is going to happen. So for convenience. But then few movies are there that you'll make an exception and you'll go. Like for example, one of my friends, she really wanted to go and watch Bhool Bhulaiya 3.
हाँ.
We all told her it's going to come out in a few months, wait, we're all going to say, no, I want to go. She went, she saw it, she told us don't waste time on it. But yeah, I genuinely do think theatres are going to have to do something to pull back the masses the way they had them earlier.
Can I add something to that? Though?
Oh.
I think that's why a lot of filmmakers have been re-releasing a lot of their old movies.
Exactly.
Ab Ye Jani Hai Diwani dekh lo.
No,
You see
because-
Karun Arjun is coming up in theaters
correct,
now.
correct.
So I think because of the OTT platform ka jo itna now it's become so
Because-
popular. So I think re-releasing movies are now ahead in theaters.
Because I think who was it? I think it was Ravina Tandon only who said the same thing on Kapil Sharma show. Instead of doing movies and all, that's why she started preferring OTTs and all that. She said the target audience is broader and a lot more people see it. And it's not just like it's our age group or our parents. Even my grandparents watch Netflix and Prime Video and all those things. So it's the entire target audience gets covered. And it's at a fraction of the cost,
Yes.
production value wise and all that.
Correct.
So I think production houses also prefer it now.
Yes. एक अच्छा मैं पर्सपेक्टिव मिला, मैंने इतना सोचा भी नहीं था जितना इन लोगों ने इन्फॉर्मेशन दी इसके बारे में। ओके। अच्छा मैं आगे से पूछना चाहूँगा कि पहले थोड़ा पीछे जाते हैं साइकोलॉजी से पहले।
Yeah.
साइकोलॉजी का तुमने सबसे पहले नाम कब सुना?
So I think मम्मा से ही सुना था मैंने because my mom is she's done BA psychology.
अच्छा
Yeah, so she, you know, like later when I was like in 5th, 6th or whatever, then कभी बात आई कि मम्मा पापा क्या करते हैं, ऐसे स्कूल में कहीं पूछा था, so I had no idea. So I came back home and asked him like, what exactly do you guys do? So when they told me whatever they do, and then mama was like, but actually, you know, I did psychology first, and then I asked her what it is, then I just left it at that. जान के I left it, and then अभी 9th 10th में जब आया कि कौन सी स्ट्रीम लेनी है, क्या करना है, that's when psychology became like a bigger option for me, and I started exploring it more and seeing कि what all really happens in this profession and what all do you really learn in this subject. So I think it started from there.
okay. So अभी after 12th of course there are a lot of options.
Yeah.
So कुछ specifically मतलब do you want to go for like a you want to become psychologist, psychiatrist, counselor? क्या चल रहा है?
So the thing is, since I've taken humanities, I can't become a psychiatrist because that's
Medical
medical field.
field,
same.
okay, right.
So psychologist only is my option. I don't want to go into counseling, and I don't want to go into school wala section and kids especially. I will not be able to do it.
Too much hard
I
work.
think it's not about hard work. I think it's a very heavy subject. Just kids in general is a very heavy subject, and when it comes to when you merge it with psychology and being a child psychologist, I think it's too heavy for me, and it's a lot for a lot of people also. So I'm looking at more towards the industrial and sports actually.
Sports psychology.
That's a really big thing for me right now, sports psychology.
Okay. So ठीक है. अभी क्या हो रहा है ना? अभी ये दोनों हैं. So दोनों के topics कुछ सेम है. जितना मैंने दोनों को रिसर्च किया है. बट अदरवाइज ऐसे बीच में चेंज होगा. ऑडियंस को भी देखना पड़ेगा ऐसे ना.
Yeah.
मैं बीच में आधे से क्वेश्चन करूँगा रैंडम में. ओके. चलो अब मैं आरुष से पूछता हूँ. अभी जितना मैंने तेरे से बात की है बिफोर कोविड तब से लेकर अभी तक जितना मैं जानता हूँ. ओके. तो आई डोंट नो जब तेरे से बात करते हैं ना तो दिमाग में ये चीज़ आती है कि हाँ यार ये डिबेट करता होगा.
You're not the first person to see that.
तो क्या है डिबेटिंग का क्या है? हाउ डिड इट कम?
Bengali household. I will have to go with that stereotype and say it's a Bengali household thing. Because for me, more than the formal setting of debate starting off, the first place where I actually had a conversation, is a debated conversation, is the dining table.
ओके. अच्छा.
Every afternoon when we sit down for a meal, every topic under the sun, it starts off with what political things are going on, who did what, then what new rules, laws were brought in, because the judicial system of India keeps bringing in new laws and rulings quite often. And then it moves on to what's happening in the society, friend groups, then where are we going out, things like that. So it's a very well-rounded discussion. So it started off from there, and then in class 6, I think, my house mistress really pushed me.
अच्छा.
I did not want to take part.
ओके.
So I wanted to back out, and I'd almost backed out and managed it. She called up my mother
अच्छा.
because my mother was working in the school at that point. She said, Diksha, he's not joining. My mother said, what are you trying? You're good at it. So I gave it a shot, and since then I've been doing debates every year.
Okay. So was there never a moment कि कभी you froze up on stage या ऐसे कुछ कभी हुआ?
If you freeze up, you just make up another line and go with it. Because for debates, especially the debates that I've gone to, like Frank Anthony Memorial Debate, then the Crook Trophy debate in St. Mary's, then the Vidya Pratishthan Magarpatta School debate and all, you can't afford keep quiet for even a minute on stage. Because your competition is the true creme de la creme of Pune. Means when I'd gone for Frank Anthony, that year my competitors were the worst of the worst.
Okay.
For me, they were actually amazing debaters. So in my pool, I had Bishop's Camp, Bishop's Kalyani, Bishop's Sundari, St. Mary's, St. Hutchings. Then I had Magarpatta School. Then I had the other branch of Wisdom World also.
Okay.
So I had the top debaters of Pune, of my batch, all present there. And in debating, it's a rule. If a person, stuttering is normal, but if you keep quiet, that's a sign you've already lost the debate.
Okay.
So it's a fact, even if you talk nonsense, keep talking, but never stop.
Never stop. And when was your first debate?
6th standard, inter-house.
Okay. So was it memorable the first time? And
It wasn't that memorable actually because I didn't win.
okay.
My partner actually won Best Speaker.
अच्छा.
She was a senior of mine. So she had won that. But overall it was a great experience though. Because it gives you that feeling that yes, I've done something. For your number one, it felt very good as a 6th grader to do something for your own house. Because at that point you really love your house. Everything is only my house. As you get into higher classes, okay, my house. It keeps going down. But yeah, it was memorable because I didn't forget my speech.
Okay.
a great thing for me because throughout practices I kept making a mess of it. But otherwise, at overall, it was a really pleasant experience. The memorable ones were towards the end of my 10th.
अच्छा.
So Frank Anthony and Guru. Those were the two horrid debates.
और debates. आदि. Next. आदि.
Yes.
So भरतनाट्यम कितने सालों से कर रहे हो?
I've been doing it for I think 8.5 years now.
Yes. How old are you now?
Yeah.
8 years back.
I
9 years.
think- I
Nine.
think, yeah, 9 years हो गए. I started when I was in 3rd grade. 9 साल हो गए. Yeah.
So was it like you tried a lot of things and then एकदम से भरतनाट्यम या फिर it was like you were doing
Oh,
dancing
no.
classes?
So I actually shifted to Bangalore in 3rd grade. And हमारे society के अंदर there was a lady who was taking Bharatanatyam classes, and I hadn't really learnt dance well. I had done Kathak for a few years. I had done Kathak for 2 years, and then we shifted to Bangalore. So Mama was looking for something new that I can do, and I found out about Bharatanatyam, and I was like, oh, this is like really cool. I don't know what it is. So I just went to class one day, and I told her, can I please, join or sit under? I just want to go and sit and see what's happening. And then I just really enjoyed it, and I started. And Mama spoke to the teacher, and we just 3rd grade, so then we just started. I think first month in Bangalore, I started Bharatanatyam, and I've just been doing it ever since. Yeah.
अच्छा. भरतनाट्यम हमारी पर्सनालिटी अकॉर्डिंग टू यू, ओके, हमारे हिसाब से अभी यू बीन डूइंग इट फॉर 8 years. तो भरतनाट्यम का तुम पे क्या इम्पैक्ट पड़ा? हाउ डू यू सी इट?
Kafi, I think it's been a really big impact on me because I've learned to take criticism really well now. Because I mean, I've shifted a lot over the years, काफी ज़्यादा, and everywhere I go, I have to restart again, and I have to even if I'm on the 3rd or 4th level, I need to go back to level 1 because the teachers need to see my progress and they need to see how good my basics are. So I think I've gone back to level 1 at least 4 times now, and you've come up, you've had so much progress for 2-3 years, and then you just come back to 0, and you have to again start, and then by the time I'm at like level 2. I shift, so then I have to again come back to level 0. So I've had a lot of criticism. A lot of teachers have told me that you're not doing this well, you're not doing that well. Because each teacher, each guru, they have their own way of teaching, and they have, they modify the dance form a little bit. अपने आप पे. And there are a lot of different styles also of Bharatanatyam itself. So I've learned 2-3. And the one that stuck with me the most is the one that I learned in Bangalore. Because it's the first time I learned it. And it was, my teacher was the best teacher I could have ever had. So I mean, because of her, it stuck with me. So even if I forget what I've done in other cities, the Bangalore one, it just stays stuck with me. Like it's always with me. So I think I've learned to take criticism really well. And I think criticism learning, once you understand what people are trying to tell you, your communication skills, they get better. You start understanding people more because everyone is telling you something and they're telling it to you from a good point. No one really wants anything bad for you, especially in the dance form, right? So that's something that I've really learned and it's had a big impact. I would say posture. But my posture is not the best, so I can't really say that.
For you, I'd actually say discipline.
Discipline also. I mean, you need to have discipline in every aspect of your life, and especially when it comes to Bharatanatyam, you need to have the discipline in it because it's a very tough dance form. Actually, it's not your body posture, your move, your mudras, everything has to be ekdam perfect. Like if you even little bit here and there, the teacher will make you go out of the class. You go, you learn it there 20-50 times. And then you come back and you show it. If you've again done wrong, you again will go out. And it just keeps going on and on and on and on and on, and it will not stop until you've perfected that particular step.
अच्छा.
And it's a very long step and it has a lot of different speeds also. So you'll have first speed, second speed, third speed.
Yeah.
Then you'll come back from third, second and first. So usme you need to know all the speeds. If I've done the first speed very well, but my third speed is not perfect, she will send me outside and tell me to do all 3 of them and come back. So I think discipline, and I've gone for all my classes. I've never skipped any. I've always made sure that even if I've left a city and shifted somewhere else, I've had the discipline and I've had the passion also to just go back, and I know, okay, I'll have to restart, but I want to restart because I really enjoy this a lot. So I think definitely taking criticism really well and discipline, major impact.
So how many teachers?
A grand question.
Five, I would say, yeah. 5.
उसमें से मतलब of course पांचों they must be really good, really good. But whom do you feel you could connect?
My first teacher.
First teacher.
I mean, every year on Guru Purnima, I make sure that I'm sending her a message or that I'm sending her a card. I'm sending something to her because, I mean, my love for that dance, for Bharatanatyam has come from her. I owe everything to her. And I was there for 3.5 years, and I gave my first exam also under her guidance. So she's my most, and I've connected with her on a really good level. And her daughter was also one of my friends. So she would take classes for all the kids of my age and stuff. I mean, that teacher, she's everything to me. I think I've never had a better guru in my life. School, academics and dance and everything combined, I think she's the best.
Best teacher.
Yeah, comes close to it.
So अभी जैसे someone wants to start Bharatanatyam, उनके लिए तुम क्या tip दे सकते हो? What would you like to say to them?
I think it would be if you want to do it, if you really want to do it, then you really need to put in the effort. You really need to put in. You have to practice every single day. You have to go for all your classes, and the first 2 months, you will feel like giving up. And I doesn't like it. It doesn't sound like it's a dance form. Kya hoga? But it's the first month of any Bharatanatyam class that you join, or you'll be doing the entire 1 hour or 2 hours or 3 hours of that class will be just standing in the corner in that one position they've told you to stand in, which is called the Aramandi. And it's like, I wouldn't say it's a squat, but somewhere like, it's on that level. But I mean, I stood like that for 40 minutes every single day. And people in the first 2 weeks they give up because they're like, we're not learning anything. But I'm like, if this is the most basic. If you've not
That's your
learned
base.
this, if you've not learned this, you don't know the dance. So I would say that you need to really have the discipline and you need to really put in the effort, because the first 2 months will be super tough and you need to do it every single day whenever you have class. You can't skip class. You can't unnecessarily sit and cry in the corner, because the day you cry in the corner, the teacher will send you outside. She'll be like, go cry, come back tomorrow. It's very strict like that. It's not a very it's not very easy going. So you need to really have the discipline. That should be that's the number one tip. Then बाकी खुद पता चल जाता है. Once you in the first month हो जाता है ना, then you automatically figure out that where am I going wrong, what do I need to improve. And all that stuff.
अभी हम नेक्स्ट सेगमेंट पे आते हैं जो एक्चुअली दोनों के लिए. ओके, सो ऑफ कोर्स आई न्यू कि तुम दोनों अच्छे फ्रेंड्स हो पहले से. तो मैंने कुछ चीज़ें मैंने कॉमन देखी दोनों में. तो मैंने हमेशा ये नोटिस किया कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर किसी 2-3 बच्चे हैं तो तुम पे कमेंट कर रहे हैं या कुछ है, तो इट्स नॉट लाइक यू बैक ऑफ, इसलिए यू ऑलवेज स्टैंड योर ग्राउंड. मतलब इन दैट वे आई हैव ऑब्जर्व कि बोथ ऑफ यू हैव अ स्ट्रॉन्ग पर्सनैलिटी. बोथ जनरली मैंने जितना 50% 90% बच्चों को देखा, दे आर लाइक वो मेरे को चिढ़ा रहे हैं, ये है वो है, दे डोंट लाइक इट, दे टेक इट टू हार्ट. बट तुम दोनों का मैंने वो व्हाट यू से इमोशनल मैच्योरिटी वो मैंने देखी दोनों. मतलब उस सेंस एंड दैट टू फ्रॉम दैट एज.
Long back.
11, 12.
यस.
Long back.
Long time.
तो इसके बारे में मतलब हाउ डिड दिस माइंडसेट कम टू यू?
I think for us the common thing will be both of us a heavy influence of our army background from our grandparents.
Yeah.
Because that is one thing that's common for
that's
both of
something that's
us.
connected us also.
Yeah. Because both our grandparents were in the army, but our parents are not.
Yeah. So
So yeah, because army grandparents, tough love is the only love they know.
यस.
So both of us have been schooled in that old way of the army, the way our parents were brought up. Criticism is a normal thing. That is why I say when people tomorrow comments or anything, it doesn't really affect me anymore. People ask me how. I'm like, I've got 3 talking mirrors at home. The moment I walk out or I do anything, if I've done well, they'll be the first people to come and congratulate me. But if I've done something wrong,
they'll be the first to
first ones to come and tell me.
Okay.
So I think that, and overall, one more thing, I'll again be going back to the cliche, the Bengali thing. We do not back down. That is the thing in us. We love to fight and we love to argue. It is one of our favorite, you can say, pastimes in a way.
Okay.
And it's a way we show our affection also, because if I don't fight back or if I'm just like, okay, yeah, say whatever you want, you don't matter at all in my life at that point. If it affects me, that means, okay, there is something that you said that is genuinely really hurt. Because if
Right now.
yeah,
At this point. A few years back, I think it was just. I mean, I have to develop this because I've shifted so much. I've had new friends, new houses, new schools, new cities every few months, years, weeks. Okay, so I have just become really used to like having a different environment every few years, and I've learned to adapt a lot, and I've met a lot of people, a lot of different type of people. So I mean, I've just become I mean, if they say something which does not make sense at all, then you need to stand your ground. You can't just
back down.
Yeah, back down.
For me, more so after that group, because I'm no longer part of it or anything. I've come to realize one thing, because I've been in multiple groups at this point in the society. All of them have fallen apart. I've come to realize I'm not meant for those group kind of friendships, because it's very superficial.
True.
Because I have actually been in almost every group the society has had from its start. And that much I can say with confidence. And one thing I've realized is 2 people will be close. Third one comes in. Friction is always created between 2. Then in a group setting, one more thing I've realized is, supposing Adya and I are very good friends.
Right.
You come in,
Don't suppose it right.
yeah, we are very good friends. You come in, you bring your friend groups. very good. We are all a huge group. We're having a good time also.
ठीक है.
First month, very good.
Right.
2 months, very good.
हाँ.
They say the 6 year itch for marriage. I say the 6 month itch of a friend group. After 6 months, everybody splits.
Everybody, I'm telling you.
Everybody
cannot
starts
have-
hating each other for no reason. Supposing you and I'll have a problem. You'll tell your whole friend group.
हाँ.
I will go and tell her and my full friend group.
Yes.
Then both the friend groups will split. This has actually happened over here.
I think it's happened everywhere. Actually.
Actually,
I personally think after being in so many friend groups and have met so many
Happens,
people in my
yes.
life, कि big groups में everyone or some of the other people will hate each other.
It has
It's
to happen.
impossible for everyone to like each other. You will always have some kind of problem with someone else.
Yes.
And the best is कि you just keep a few close friends who you know are true, you know who are actually honest and who know actually nice people. Now, if you're with 25 people, you don't know what's going on in anyone's head. You're with 2
Because-
people, at least you're communicating with each other. So I think.
For me, the logic is very simple. A friend to all is a friend to none. Yeah.
Actually, what I can only say is कि the things that you've just spoken about, okay, this level of maturity I didn't have when I was of your age. This I've realized now, few years back. So it's a big thing. So I appreciate you guys, and I also feel that both of you have very powerful energies. Okay, and I think that's why you guys are connected. One of the reasons.
Yeah, that is true. Both of us are type A personalities.
Yes.
We both love having a good time, but then also one thing I know is we can literally, we've done this. We're laughing, jumping, dancing, everything. Next moment we're sitting and talking about our deepest problems in our current life and everything. So that's a very big thing for us.
But I think, I genuinely think that the reason me and Arush have genuinely bonded and we have such a strong friendship now is because we've seen like a lot and we've realized that like we are it for each other. We are like the bestest of friends. Now nothing stupid can make us mad at each other. It'll only be something
Like serious.
serious.
Okay.
So we both have very strong personalities as you said, and we both are,
But then one more thing both of us realize is when the other needs space.
yeah.
Which is a very, very rare thing for people to understand nowadays.
Yes.
Because
You
right now,
stop
when-
talking for a day, the other person gets
Yeah.
mad and then you have a fight.
no, because it's actually happened. I was busy for my first term exams. First exam in Bishops. What do you expect? You don't know what. So I was really paranoid. So I had almost stopped talking to everyone. I used to only meet up with her in the evenings. That too for an hour, and I used to sit crying about my exams even then. So I stopped messaging almost everybody else. After exams got over and after that final, okay, I don't care anymore. Keep it. Then I started talking to people and all, and I'm not joking. The amount of people that I said, oh, we thought you forgot us, you thought you didn't want to talk to us, and I'm like, huh? Things just came up. That is one thing that we've never faced.
Yeah, I don't think we ever will also.
We've gone 1 week without talking. We've met up, it's been normal. We've got 1 week with only sending reels to each other and not meeting for the rest of the week. Nothing happened. It's genuine just friendship at this point.
Yeah, I think we have a very solid friendship. Touch wood.
Touch
You
wood.
know,
Another
कितना चीजें सुनने के बाद ना, I've kept a special thing for you guys.
हाँ.
We'll play a small game.
Yes.
Okay. So in this segment, what you guys need to do is you'll get 30 seconds. You'll get 30 seconds. Because जैसे rap battle होता है ना.
Oh my god.
Oh god.
So you have to speak about it for 30 seconds.
Oh,
Okay,
speak.
then it's fine.
Speak. Rap
Sing
battle.
नहीं होगा.
See,
ठीक है.
then it's right.
Yes. And then
You would sound
same
like
thing. You have
donkey
to
from
speak
Shrek
about it for
otherwise.
30 seconds.
Okay.
Okay.
Does it like have to be on a certain theme? Certain.
नहीं no. Anything. Whatever you feel about the other person.
I'll go first.
Sure. Now Adya is going to start first. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, so I think me and Arush have, like everyone knows, we've been friends for over 2 years now. And I think Arush is one of the bestest friends I've ever had and will be also. I think Arush knows more about me than I know about myself at this point. Like genuinely, I don't think anyone knows me better than Arush. We've come to that point now where anything I have, it's something good, bad, sad, happy, it's something, it's very exciting, it's something that's just super boring, I can go and tell Arush and Arush. Either
Okay,
he'll listen.
stop.
Oh,
Time.
khatam. It was very easy.
Okay, so I guess it's my turn now.
Yeah.
Should I be nice?
You better be now, you don't have any option. I said such good things.
अरे मजाक उड़ा
That's
मैं
right.
तेरे ऊपर है ओके
हाँ.
चलो रेडी 3 2 1 स्टार्ट
So today I'll be speaking about the most annoying person in my life.
That's
So-
what things about you.
I'm just joking. She's one of the sweetest, most loving, caring people I know. I think that's her elder sisterly thing. So overall, I've known Adya for around 2 years now. Those 2 years have been full of only amazing memories. She is one of the sweetest people I know. The most random thing in a day, like what did I eat for lunch, I can go and tell her and she'll be the happiest person.
ओके टाइम
I think we've just realized that 30 seconds is very
Not
less to
enough.
talk about each other. I think we need
I'm
about
used to
2-3
speaking.
hours.
No, I'm
yeah.
used to speaking for 3 minutes full debate. No,
I think we need like 2-3 hours to just.
2-3 hours. See, then by the end of it, we'll be insulting each other.
Oh,
Actually,
oh.
first I had thought कि I'll give
So-
you 45 seconds, 1 minute. Then I was like नहीं यार, let's make it short, 30 करते हैं. क्योंकि 30 में ऐसे होगा कि let's say कि 30 seconds में minimum time है ना, उसमें क्या निकलता है? हमारे दिमाग में पहले क्या आएगा? If I give you a long time ना,
हाँ.
1 or 2 minutes,
Then you can build on it.
Yeah, you can build it. So that was one of my intentions. Okay, sure. Now we come to the last segment of our podcast. Okay, so the final question that I had for both of you. Okay, so हमने initially हमने दिल से start किया. Okay, so now start with you again. Okay, so let's talk about your most embarrassing moment.
Which one?
Which one is the question? I
जो
have too
memorable
many.
भी है and you're like, of course you are open to talk about any of your moments, but ऐसे कोई special you felt special बोल रहा हूँ.
Special.
I think the most common, I'll say common because I need to think about the special. The most common is I'm singing or I'm dancing inside the lift and I'm coming niche. And there are a lot of people standing outside on the ground floor. And then my eyes are closed, I'm listening to music and I start dancing like this. And I walk out and I bump into someone and I'm just like, I am so sorry. I am so sorry. It happens every single day. Every single day. I go home, I come down, कुछ भी. कोई बाहर खड़ा होता है और someone is just there, yeah, someone's on the like मेरे घर के floor पे. And I bump into them because I am like lost in my own world, dancing, singing. And a lot of times I've just walked onto like I say, lift is closing. Instead of putting my telling them to stop or something, I'll just put my hand and it'll start closing. And the person screaming inside and I'm screaming outside. I have to pull out my hand. A lot of times I've just walked into a glass door in the middle of the mall with everyone looking at me. And I have just stood there and laughed like nothing has happened. And recently, very recently this happened. I was on the scooter. I was taking a U-turn. It was raining that day and there was a little bit of money on the floor, on the ground. And I was taking a U-turn. And there were a few people around me, like a few people walking, okay? And I knew them. And I accelerated, and the scooty tilted, and while tilting, it just kept going again, and I'm pressing the brake, but I'm not leaving the accelerator because I'm stressing out. And then people started laughing at me. And I acted like nothing happened. So I picked up the bike, I'm switched it off. I'm like, yeah, all cool. I pretended like I was on a phone. I was like, yeah, nothing happened, don't worry. And I see people walking by, and they're just giggling or whatever. I pretended like that day never happened. And I moved on, because it happens with me too many times now. Every hour, every other hour is embarrassing. I do something which is like just doesn't make sense.
Okay, good. नहीं, but the best part is you're comfortable with this.
Yeah.
हो रहा है.
Oh yeah.
This part of life.
Like I'm walking down the staircase in school with everyone, all 8th, 9th graders, all my juniors, all of them. Okay, I'm walking up the staircase, I'm running up the staircase, something. I fall face flat on the staircase with my nose and my head just on the stairs, and people are walking and everyone's frozen and everyone's just looking at me, and I just get up and I'm like, nothing happened, don't worry, I'm fine. And people are walking by and they're like, we're not worrying about it, it's just funny. I'm like, oh wow, so sweet. But every other day for me is just some embarrassing moment happens and I just move on. I'm like, it didn't happen. Who I Nita? Yeah, that's my embarrassing
चलो,
moment.
आरुष की बात.
For me, it's a recurring thing every year. Every year when our concert costumes come in, each year is worse than the other. I'll give you the most recent one this year. I was actually wearing something that looked like the 90s our mother wear when they go to see it. It actually looked like a maxi dress.
Okay.
And I was wearing a robe on top of that.
Okay.
So it actually looked like when I was walking in on stage, I was coming from my bedroom and I was going to go to sleep. So that would be number one. And number two would have to be when I played Snow White.
Snow White.
Yeah. I was very fair as a
Photos
kid.
of that.
I deleted them from everywhere. So I was in what? I think I was in first grade then. Bishop's Camp only.
Okay.
And that frog kind of thing was a little long. So like Adya falling flat on her face. I fell flat on my face with a wig on my head and a full face of makeup. So that would have to be the most embarrassing moment for me.
When was this?
The falling one.
Snow White.
So that was a first grade, not recently.
इतना तुम्हें याद है फर्स्ट ग्रेड का embarrassing? मेरे तो इतने है कि मुझे बस अभी पिछले 2 महीने का याद है.
These things are very normal for me.
These are like a
I
very
keep
common-
falling down the steps every time in our society. Sometimes the lift doesn't work. Every time on first floor, because the steps keep reducing, I will do a half split because my leg has gone down when it's not supposed to go. So yeah, no, these things are very normal for me. So I don't even mention them.
अब हम एक रैपिड फायर खेलते हैं. Okay.
Okay.
Interesting रहेगा. So तुम दोनों से मैं पूछूंगा एक सवाल. Okay. And you guys have to say कि तुम दोनों एक दूसरे को भी पॉइंट आउट कर सकते हो, अपने आप को भी पॉइंट आउट कर सकते हो. Okay. तो who eats the most दोनों में?
He's the most. Both of us love eating.
We're foodies.
Both are pointing at
We're
ourselves
foodies,
only.
yeah.
हाँ.
ओके ओके सबसे ज़्यादा बुक्स कौन पढ़ता है सबसे ज़्यादा किसको शौक है बुक्स पढ़ने
Me.
यू
I've got a full library at home.
गुस्सा किसको सबसे ज़्यादा
I'll have to say you.
Yeah,
I get
me.
annoyed easily.
I
I don't
get
get angry.
angry. I get angry.
She gets angry.
Yeah.
अरे तुमने अनॉय वर्ड बोल दिया ना नेक्स्ट में अनॉय पूछने वाला था ओके अब द फाइनल क्वेश्चन इट्स अ गुड क्वेश्चन इसमें मजा आएगा सबसे ज़्यादा ट्रीट कौन देता है दोनों में से
Adya. Adya.
Yeah.
No questioning that.
फिर then I think अरे मेरे पैसे का आप उसकी पेट में है
At least it's a good cause.
बट आई थिंक वी बैलेंस इट आउट लाइक एक बार दो बार मैंने कर दिया तो ये वंस इन अ वीक मेरे को नहीं देगा 4 दिन मैंने किया तो ये 1 दिन कर
कर दो अच्छा चार बार
या
करके
वी
तीन बार
बैलेंस
करके-
इट
I don't know.
वन टाइम तो डेफिनेटली दे आई मेक हिम
Yeah.
like मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है प्लीज पे फॉर दिस सो दैट ही पे
So, we are done with the podcast and बहुत मज़ा आया मुझे दोनों से बात करके एंड मुझे ऐसे फील हो रहा है कि ऑफ कोर्स अभी तो यू शेयर्ड योर एक्सपीरियंस मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि मे बी व्हेन यू गाइस ग्रो अप व्हेन आई आल्सो आई एम 30 years old अभी मैं और ऑफ कोर्स आगे बढ़ूंगा उम्र में मेरी उम्र बढ़ेगी
हाँ.
सो आई फील वी कैन हैव अनदर पॉडकास्ट मुझे लगता है यू गाइस हैव समथिंग एल्स आल्सो टू ऐड
डेफिनेटली
Yeah.
डेफिनेटली
But
Many,
it
many
was-
more stories.
It was really fun interacting with you guys.
you
Thank
again I had a
you.
lot of
Really
fun.
fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was very different. Like it's a very new experience. I've
Yeah.
never gone on a podcast.
Yeah, never
before.
done
This is
anything.
my first podcast ever.
First podcast.
Yeah.
मुझे जब तुम दोनों को अभी मैंने देखा ना, I thought मैं भी चश्मा पहन लेता हूँ, because I also have spectrum.
Okay.
आपको पहनना चाहिए था. You
हाँ,
should
you
have
should have
worn
worn
matching
it.
matching.
We all three
I should have
musketeers
worn-
with
I should have
specs.
worn black.
Yeah, when we were the three
Perfect.
musketeers with
Yeah, yeah,
specs.
yeah.